press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about different types of lines and angles. So in that we also studied pairs of angles, okay, and what we studied in pairs of angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles and adjacent angles. We studied these three pairs of angles, and we were at adjacent angles. In that, for the adjacent angles, they must be one after the other. They should one after the other, which are having common, they must have common side. Okay. So common side idre matra ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ common vertex ಮತ್ತೆ common side idre ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ adjacent angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 2 examples ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ adjacent angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು? ಓಕೆ, so draw adjacent angles. Okay, so like this. Here I write to these angles. Here we have three angles having one common vertex. Consider this as A, B, C and D. How many angles are here? Here we have three angles having common vertex, okay, and is OB and OC are the common sides for the angles? No, okay. Then, so if I take only these two angles, then I can say that these are the adjacent angles. Why? What is the reason? Here it has common vertex and common side. Then I can say that angle BOC, that is angle BOC is adjacent to, which is the angle? BOC is adjacent to COD, angle COD, okay. So this is the one, and the second one is angle COB. Angle COB is adjacent to angle, which is the angle COB is adjacent to BOA, angle BOA. So this is the second pair of adjacent angles. So can I say angle DOC is adjacent to angle BOA? Is this right? Angle DOC is here, DOC, and angle BOA is here, BOA is here. Then are these two angles are adjacent to each other? No. So why? Because they have common vertex but they don't have common side. So for that, these two can't be adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, the condition for the adjacent angles is they should have common vertex and common side. So common side irbeku, common vertex irbeku. Common vertex ide, ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ from this or by this, okay. So if I start the angles telling like this, DOC angle, then this is the first angle, then second angle should be named like this only, COB angle or angle COB, and the third angle is named as BOA angle, BOA like this, okay. So yavaglu adana order alli helbeku. Then let's move to the next one. That is the linear pair. So this is also a type of angles, pairs of angles, that is linear pair. What is linear pair? Fourth one, linear pair. Okay, so here linear pairs means we have two conditions for linear pairs. Here we have two angles which are having common, that is they should be adjacent angles. They must be adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles do pair ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ, the sum of those two adjacent angles must be equal to 180 degree. That is they must be supplement to each other. ಸೊ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದೇ pair of angles, linear pair like this. Here the two non-common rays, they are in opposite direction. So consider this as A and this as B. Okay, so here we have two rays, ray OA and ray OB, and they are in opposite direction ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರೇ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ರೇ, okay, and these are non-common sides for adjacent angles, and the another adjacent angle ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೇ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Okay, so I write like this, consider as C, OC, ray OC, and these are the adjacent angles. This is the first condition. They must be adjacent angles which are supplement to each other, having non-common rays in opposite direction. So opposite direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದು? non-common rays ಮತ್ತು adjacent angles ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, and they must be equal to 180 degree. Here if I consider this as acute angle, then one must be, if one is acute angle, then another must be obtuse angle. If both are, so one is right angle, then another must be also right angle. If it is 90 degree, what is the supplement of 90 degree? That is also 90 degree. If it is 70 degree, then what is this? This is obtuse angle, that is 110 degree. So ಒಂದು acute angle ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? That must be obtuse angle. If one is the right angle, then another one must be also ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಎರಡು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನೇ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಓ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? acute ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು obtuse and acute. Okay, then acute and obtuse are right angle. Okay, so these are the three possible adjacent angles, they which makes they should be adjacent and they makes 180 degree. They are one supplement to each other. Okay, so this is called linear pair. Then the definition can be written like this. Then you can take down the definition for this. A pair of adjacent angles, a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are in opposite direction opposite direction is called a linear pair. Okay, here we have two conditions. Angles, the two angles must be adjacent and they must be supplement to each other, and ray should be in opposite direction. So ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ two rays in opposite direction means they make straight angle. So straight angle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 180 degree. So 180 degree ನೇ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, we are parting that. Why? By taking another ray on that straight line. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, these are adjacent angles which are supplement to each other. Okay, let's move to the next one. Linear pairs A, O, B, C. Okay. Then let's move to the next one, that is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. It is the fifth pair of angles, pairs of angles. So vertically opposite angles, opposite ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ vertically opposite ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Here also we take a pair of angles, two angles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ vertically opposite angles, how they made? By intersecting. When two lines intersect each other, they make vertically opposite angles. Then we can write like this. So like this. So this is one line L. When we use small letter, that is one letter, so that should be small letter to represent or to mark, to denote one line. And here I write the another line, so that is M, line M. This should be small letter, not capital letters. If we use capital letters, we should use two letters to mark this, or otherwise we can use one. So I better to use line. This is A and AB and C, D, and they intersected at one point. So common vertex for all these three angles made here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ two lines ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, cross ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. They are crossing on each other, then they make four angles, and here vertically, which are vertically are there, they are opposite, they are called vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so consider angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Here we make pair of vertically opposite angles. Here 1 and 3 are the vertically opposite angles, and 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles, and these two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so then you can take the definition like this. The angles formed by intersection of or crossing or intersection of two lines which are opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, and here the point where two lines are intersected, that is called as point of intersection. Point of intersection. Okay, so this point O, here O, they crossed each other and they intersected at point O, and that point is called point of intersection. And the angles made here, which are vertically opposite angles, they are always equal to each other. Okay, so angle 1 ಮತ್ತು angle 3 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ equal ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ angle 2 ಮತ್ತು angle 4 they are also equal to each other. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಒಂದು ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ರೇ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, one ray is stood on this straight line and it makes two adjacent angles which are supplement to each other. So linear pair ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ angles formed are equal to each other. So we can find by using linear pairs. So linear pairs ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, if it is given 70 degree, then what is the supplement for this? So that is 110 degree. Why? So linear pair means they must make 180 degree. The sum must be equal to 180 degree. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ all the three can be found. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Here vertically opposite angles are always equal. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ here they have given one picture. So it's like this. its common vertex, that is O, and this point is B, C, E, A and D. And the first question is, identify 5 pairs of adjacent angles. 5 pairs of adjacent angles. We have to identify 5 pairs of adjacent angles. They must be one after the other, having common vertex and common side. So ಒಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ. Okay, so angle BOC and which is the adjacent of this BOC angle? Angle COE. Angle COE. And the second pair is angle COE and which is the adjacent to this? COE ಗೆ EOA. Then the third pair is angle EOA and angle DOA. And the fourth pair is AOD and DOB. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 pairs, and they have asked to find AOE. Here we have AOE and EOC and COB and okay, then we can consider like this. So take this angle BOC and so if I rub this, okay, to get the fifth pair, if I rub this, what I get? Angle BOC and angle COA. These two are the fifth pair. Okay, we can consider like this. Okay, so these are the 5 pairs of adjacent angles. And the second one, they have asked to 3 linear pairs. Okay. Okay, what are linear pairs? A pair of adjacent angles which are supplement to each other, having their non-common rays in opposite direction. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So this is considered as linear pair. Okay, linear pair ಗೆ first one ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೆಯೋಣ? Angle BOC and angle BOC ಗೆ COA. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ COE and COE and EOD ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಆಯಿತು, 2 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, AOC ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಥವಾ AOE ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, AOE and EOB. So these are the 3 pairs of that is linear pairs. Linear pairs. And the third one they asked to find find two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so which are the vertically opposite angles? Here, if I take this one, second angle, third, fourth, fifth angle, then which are the two lines intersected here? Here, AB and CD are the two lines intersected at point O. So O is the point of intersection. Why can't we consider EO? OE is a ray. It's a ray. It's not a line. So that's why we can't consider this as line. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 3, 4 and 5. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಇದನ್ನ 2, this is 3 and this is 4 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ BOC, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, that is angle BOC is equal to angle AOB. So this is the one pair, and the second pair is angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So what is the name of these angles? Angle COA is equal to angle DOB. So this type we can write the opposite angles. I shown you here 1, 3, 2, 4, and BOC angle is equal to AOD angle, COA angle is equal to DOB angle. Let's move to the exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. If you have your textbook with you, you can look into your textbook. I read the question. So this lesson is very easy. Okay. Exercise 5.1. In that, first main, find the complement of each of the following angles. I repeat, find the complement of each of the following angles. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ figures ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No necessity or not necessity to give the figures. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ figures ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ನಮಗೇನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು? ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 20 degree, given is 20 degree, okay, and 63 degree. So I write simply, not with the exact measurement, 63 degree, 20 degree, and the third one is 57 degree, 57 degree. Okay, how can you find the complement of these angles? So we know complement means the sum of two angles must be equal to 90 degree. Okay, then to find the complement of the given angles, we should subtract the given angles from 90 degree. Okay, first one 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 degree, isn't it? Yes. Then how can we write? Complement of 20 degree is 70 degrees. So this is our answer. Like this you have to write for these two. Subtract, take 63, subtract it from 90 degree, then the answer we get, that is the complement of this 60 degree. Again take 57, consider 57 here, subtract from 90 degree, then the answer what you get, that is the complement of 57 degree. So this is for your homework. These two are for your homework. Okay. So I shown you first one for you and you do these two. And go to second main. Here also the second question is, I read the question. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. Here also they have given figures, so no need to give figures, or if they have given figures then you can write down the figures. And the first one is 105 degree. It's 105 degree. What is supplementary? That is the sum of two angles must be equal to 180 degree. Then the second one is 87 degree. And the third one is 154 degree. How will you find the supplement of these given angles? Here we have to take 180 degree because sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, I show you first one. Consider first one 105 degree. So subtract it from 180 degree. Okay, what we get? We get 75 degree. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and so keep 7. Okay, so then 1 minus 1 is 0, it's 75 degree. Then you can write like this, supplement of 105. The given you should write 105 degree is 75 degree. So like this, these two are for your homework. These two are homework. Consider this. And let's move to the third one. That is the third main. I read the question. So look into your textbook. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. I repeat. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ಪೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪೇರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? How can we find complementary and supplementary angles? Then we know what is complementary and what is supplementary. The sum of two angles is equal to, if the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree, then it is complementary angles. Those pairs are complementary angles, and the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree, then they are supplementary angles. Okay. I do first one for you and the remainings you take for your homework. So first one, (65° and 105°. Add these two angles, given angles. 65° plus 115°, that is equal to 5 plus 5 is 10, keep 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 1 is 8 and it is 180°. These two given angles, they sum up to 180°, then these are supplementary angles. So then you can write your answer as, which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are? These are supplementary angles. These are supplementary angles. Okay. Then I show you another one. I take fifth one. 45° and 45°. I think you can tell the answer for this. Yes, what's your answer? 45 plus 45 is 90°. Add these two given angles, 45 plus 45, so that is equal to 90°. Then the answer you can write here is, these are complementary angles. These are complementary angles. And do the rest of the problems in your homework. And let's move to the fourth main. The fourth question given is, I read the question. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, complement angle na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 90°. ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the sum of those two angles must be equal to 90°. Here, see here, what is this? These two make complementary. These two are complement to each other. Then these are equal to one another. Then the answer for the fourth one is, what is the answer? 45°. Then you can write your answer like this. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, then complement means that is 90°. Divide 90° by 2. What we get? 2 4s are 8. So remainder is 1. It makes 10. Okay, it's 5°. Then 45°. Our answer is, why we are dividing it by 2? They must be equal. So ಅದೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು 90°. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. 90 ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 45°. 45° ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. Is equal to its complement. Okay, then go to fifth question. It's same as the above. That is the fourth question. I read the question. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. What's your answer? So like this only you have to find the answer for the fifth one. Supplement means, that is supplementary angle is equal to 180°. Sum of the two angles must be equal to 180°. Then what will you do? Divide 180° by 2. It's equal to 90°. Then your answer is 90° is equal to its supplement. Then the sixth one, I go to sixth one. In the given figure, here they have given one figure. I read the question. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Okay, I draw the figure here. This figure is like this. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Okay. They have given one sub question for this. What they are asking is, angle 1 is supplement to angle 2. So 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ supplement ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು supplement, they are supplement to each other. Okay. If angle 1 is decreased, decreased means, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ, ರೇನ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗಿರೋದು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ. Should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary. What changes should take place? Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದೆರಡು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸೊ ರೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್? If the ray rotates to the left, decreasing means we have to rotate this ray to left. ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ 2 must increase in its measure to keep the supplement, that is to keep the measure same, remain. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಮೆಷರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. 2 will increase. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 2 will increase. Angle 2 will increase with the same measure as the angle 1 decrease. Angle 1 decrease. So angle 2 will increase with the same measure as the angle 1 decrease. For example, ಇದು 1 degree decrease ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ 1 degree decrease ಆದರೆ ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 degree ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾದ್ರು 10 degree decrease ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, 10 degree ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 2 will increase with the same measure as the angle 1 decrease. Okay, then let's move to the next one. That is the 7th one. That's the 7th one. I read the question. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್? ಸೊ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಮ ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಅನದರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನು? ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಂತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 80 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 89 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, 89 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೇನಾದರೂ ಈ ಥರದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so 80 and 89 both are acute angles. Add those two, so it's equal to 9. 8 plus 8 is 16. It's 169 degree. So 89 plus 89 togoli, 89 plus 89 degree. Then what about is 9 plus 9 is 18. So 16 plus 1 is 17. It's 178 degree. It's not equal to 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್? ನೋ. ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್, ಎರಡೂ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಗೆ. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ನೇ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ 110 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಹ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಅದು ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 91 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 91 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 1 plus 0 is 1. ಸೊ 9 plus 1 is 10. Keep 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's 201 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 91 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 91 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ 182 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ. ಅವರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಎರಡು ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಆಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 90 degree plus 90 degree. What is the sum of these two angles? It's 180 degree. Then our answer is yes. Then we have 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th problems. Okay, what are the that is the problems given for your homework? You do it yourself, and the under the topics, and they have given think, discuss and write. So they also do it yourself. Okay, so by this we finish up this class. In the next class we solve the remaining exercise problems. Okay, thank you.